Redefine your research workflow with LMMs-Lab Writer. At its core lies open code AI integration, a built-in panel that reads your project context, letting you chat and switch between models like Claude Code, Cursor, and Codex. Forget configuration headaches. One-click LaTeX. Setup auto-detects and installs everything. Missing a package? It installs automatically. Zero configuration, instant readiness. Science knows no borders. Built for every language with full Unicode support via LaTeX and LaTeX. CJK, Arabic, Cyrillic, all work out of the box. Stay in flow with Git native collaboration. Stage, commit, diff, and push from the sidebar with AI-generated commit messages. GitHub publishing is one click away. Experience native speed. Built with Tauri, not Electron, LMMs-Lab Writer is lightweight, fast, and truly cross-platform on macOS and Windows. Your research belongs to you. Fully open source, MIT licensed. No telemetry, no lock-in. Files never leave your machine. LMMs-Lab Writer. Think deep, write easy.